Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy, paste, and select all using the shortcut on a MacBook, which is different from a PC or a laptop. So let's get started. So in order to first copy a text, for example, if I want to copy this text, you can just first select the part. So if you want to select the whole thing, you can usually just double tap, and then on the keypad here for Mac, it'll select the whole text. And then for to copy, you're going to do Command and C at the same time. So first you hold Command and then C, and then let's go ahead and paste. So I'll enter into a new line. To paste, you're gonna first press Command and then V this time. So Command C for copy, Command V for paste. And then if you want to select all of the text, you're gonna do Command A. So Command A will basically do it, and then Command Z will undo. So a couple commands there for you. So again, copy is Command C, paste is Command V, and then select all text is Command A, and then Command Z to undo. So if I wanted to select all, Command C to copy, and then if I do Command V again, it will paste that whole entire section. So that's how you copy, paste, and select all, and even undo on a MacBook keyboard shortcut. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your MacBook. We'll see you guys next time.